Don't compare yourself to others in life and on YouTube. Welcome back to Rachelyn, guys, and thank you so much for being here. For all my new subscribers, returning subscribers, and those of you that are gonna click that red subscribe button right now, thank you all for being here. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some advice or some recommendations that I have for new YouTubers, existing YouTubers, those that are looking to start up in 2020. If you're interested in learning anything about that, this should be exciting. You know, I'm gonna be talking from the heart. I have my something. And I would really appreciate if you guys leave your comments down below so we can interact with each other. Let me know what you think, and also what are some advice that you would give, and what do you really take from this video. So comment below, give me a like or a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, which I know you will. And subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so that you don't miss when I post. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. My juice just threw away. My vex. So, a big mistake that I see a lot of YouTubers do, new and old, is to focus on the numbers. So my recommendation or my advice is to not focus on the numbers. Focusing on the numbers will get you so discouraged, and it can demotivate you and let you not want to create. If YouTube is something that you actually like doing, if filming and production and creating and letting people laugh and giving people a good time and educating, and if those are what you like, then focus primarily on that, and the numbers will come, the channel will grow, people will see your personality and all of that. But don't focus on the numbers. And I'm saying that to you, and I'm saying that to myself, because I'm not perfect, and I do sometimes zone in on the numbers, and I have to keep reminding myself that don't do that. Don't do that. Your time will come. When your time come, just know so your time come, but don't focus on the numbers. I've gotten a lot of messages on, especially on my Instagram, with persons asking me like things about numbers and things about their, like, I remember one person said that they recently started a YouTube channel. They have 800 subscribers. So this person had 800 subscribers, and on their videos they were getting 500 views, 400 views, sometimes 600 views. Now they were disappointed that their view count was not matching up to their subscriber count. And I had to just sit them down and be like, listen, don't focus too much on that. First of all, let's check some facts real quick. Let's head over to somebody's page who has like 1 million subscribers. Check on most of their videos, a lot of their videos, they don't get 1 million views. Some of them get in the 100,000s, the 200,000s, and those numbers to the million subscribers that they have. Some of them will get a 500,000. Every now and then they may get close to 1 million, but for the majority of the videos, they're closer, they're back down into the hundreds and the 200,000. Now, if I'm to use 100,000 of the 1 million subscriber that they have, that's 1/5 of their subscriber count. Now, honey, you have 800 subscribers and you're getting 600, 500 views. That is more than half the amount of your subscriber count. So you should be very happy. I know the subscriber count isn't high, but to be getting more than half of that is something that you should commend yourself for and not be too hard on yourself for. Sometimes it's how you look at it, you know, and this is why I said don't focus too much on it, because sometimes the way you're thinking about it and the way you're looking at it, it's actually good, and you there think that it's something bad. So just don't focus too much on it, rather just focus on creating and building and branding and create, you know, just focus on that, and then the audience will come, the numbers will come, and all of that will come. The next advice I have for you guys is that don't compare yourself to others in life and on YouTube. Don't compare yourself to another person because they may have a bigger subscriber count, a better quality video. Whatever the thing is, don't compare yourself. You don't know what that other person went through to get to where they are. That person may be on their journey of day 55. You're just starting your journey on day 1. Their day 1 might have been even worse than your day 1. So don't compare your day 1 to their day 55. Because they might have gone through it. Similarly, you are going through it. So just focus on yourself. Focus on what you're doing. Tunnel vision. Do what you're doing and leave what's going on out there. And leave the distraction. And don't focus on other people. Because that will discourage you. That will cause you to not want to do what you really set out to do. So don't focus on the next person. And similarly in life, you see somebody else with something nice, with things happening for them, be happy for the person. But don't just focus on that. That becomes all that consumes you, and then you do nothing for yourself. Focus on you, focus on building you, focus on doing what you're doing until things start working out for you. That's just life. Social media, real life. Focus on you and don't compare yourself to others. The next advice I have is don't try to be an expert at this YouTube thing. None of us are experts. None of us will ever be experts. You will never be an expert. It's all growing, ever changing, the world growing, interests change, interests come, interests go. Nobody has it all figured out. We're all figuring out as it goes. Whether you want to put it for social media, whether you want to put it to life, nobody has it figured out. So don't try to be an expert so much that it stifles your growth or that it stifles you from even starting. Right? If this journey on YouTube or social media is what you want to be doing, if this is what you're passionate about doing, I say do it. Don't try, I'm not going to do it because I'm not an expert at lighting. I'm not an expert at sound. I'm not an expert at editing. No. You don't need to be all of that. You don't need to be any of that. You just need to practice and become good enough for you. Don't try be, I need to do this, I have this camera, I have this lens. No, you don't need all of that many other times. Just start, and those other things that you think you need will eventually come, and then sometimes you'll realize that you don't even need them. Right? So don't try to be an expert so much that it stifles you and you don't ever start doing what you want to do. Alright, come here. Let me show you something real quick. Head over to your YouTube browser. Open another browser. Go to your favorite YouTuber from anywhere in the world. Scroll down to the bottom of their page from when they just started. Look at their first video. Or first couple of videos if they didn't private them. They were the worst. They were not the best quality. They were not the best content. They weren't as engaging as they are right now. There were so many things that were wrong. But guess what? They didn't not start. They started with what they had. And they started with them. All they had was themselves. Some of them had a cell phone. Some of them had borrow a cell phone, borrow something for start. The quality was a mess. But they did it, and that's what got them to where they are today. So don't make because you don't have certain things or you think you need to do certain things. No. Start. Okay? Start. Another advice I have for y'all is to be yourselves. Be authentically you. Be you. Do you. And only you. Don't try to come on any social media platform pretending to be someone else. copying someone else and doing exactly what someone else is doing. That not cute. It not cute at all. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not. Listen, the world is big enough for all of us. There are many things out there for all of us to do. A lot of things have already been done. Some advice is don't recreate the wheel, but take the wheel and add to the wheel. Add your own spin to the wheel. Add your own glitter to the wheel and make the wheel something else. So if you're gonna take what someone else is doing, take it, yes, but add your own twist to it. Don't come back and do the same exact thing that someone else did in the same exact way with the same exact expressions and the same. It's not cute. Don't do that. And I'm not pointing fingers at anyone or anything, but I see this done over and over so many times in life too, not just on social media. Like, people copy somebody, start a little stall down the street where they must sell some banana chips and some biscuit, and then this other person that lives beside them open a stall the next day with banana chip and biscuit. Miss, you didn't know you could have opened a stall and sell bun and cheese, since the next person not selling bun and cheese. You're still doing the same thing, but you add your own little twist to it. You know what I mean? A jerk man selling jerk chicken. Okay, the jerk chicken working. Don't take up yourself and go right beside jerk man and go sell jerk chicken too. Try pork, try beef, try jerk chicken back. But put your own spin on it. Make it be you. When they see you, they know that it is you and not somebody else that you're copying. So whatever you do, be you and only you, because there can never be another you. So put your own spin to it and do you. Don't come and fake it. Don't fake it. Don't try to be somebody else. Be you. Another advice I have, which you guys would have heard this over and over and over again, is being consistent. I spoke about consistency in our last couple of videos. I spoke about how not being consistent negatively affected me, and I'm pretty sure there are other YouTubers that it did too. So try not to let that happen to you. And when I say consistency, I don't just mean on YouTube too, in life. So for this video is social media, and take what you can take from it for even in life in general. Being consistent will get you a much further way. Being consistent is key, right? Being more consistent with your uploading, with your posting, with your engagement, and not even just with that, but even with your branding. Being consistent with your edit. As you evolve and grow and learn more, things will change and you'll come into your own. But just be consistent with all of that. Be open to changing, be open to learning more. And as you're open to doing it, you're consistent with doing it. So just be consistent overall with everything you can do. Consistency is key. Another mistake that I see a lot of upcoming YouTubers make, or potential social media persons make, is to not engage with their audience. What I mean by that is, if someone takes the time out of their day to come and like your photo and comment on your photo, the least they can do is to just double tap and hit a like on the comment that they made, so that they know that you see it. It's just acknowledging that they see it. I know many of you may be getting hundreds of comments, so it's very difficult to do that. But at least go through some of them, for even half of them or a quarter of them. Comment under them, let them know that you appreciate it, like it, because they took the time out of their day to show up for you. So I think that we should kind of take some time also to show up for them, because at the end of the day, we are all trying to build a long-term and sustainable community, right? So if people are coming, I think we at the very least need to let them feel appreciated. So comment under some of them, like some of them. That's something that I realized, and that's what I've been consciously trying to do. So I encourage you guys to do the same. And just so you guys know, a lot of these things are mistakes that I made myself. I'm not perfect. I'm not an expert. I'm still growing. I'm still changing. I'm still evolving. And as I learn, I try to share it with you guys so that you guys don't make the same mistakes, or you don't keep making the same mistakes, right? Where I believe we're all in this thing together. We're all here together. And if I learn something and I can share it with you, I have no problem doing that. And I wish that if you learn something as well, you leave it in the comment section so that I can know. Right? It's a win-win. So I don't want you guys to feel like I'm an expert. I'm just sharing what I know, and I hope to impact or to help someone on their journey as well. You want to know what's inside of this? Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day, out of your life, out of your busy schedule to come and sit down and listen to me talk for all of these minutes. I appreciate it more than you can imagine. Thank you so much. I hope you find these tips helpful. I know they will be helpful as long as you apply it. So definitely take them, do what I said, because these I'm speaking from experience and what I've learned, and as I learn, I want to share with you guys. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. I appreciate all the likes, the comments, the shares, and the love that I've been receiving, guys. You guys don't even understand. The fact that you're here and you're hearing me right now, it means that you've made it to the end of the video, which means you're a trooper. I'm gonna have to big you up for that. Like, thank you. Before I go, I want to give a shout out to the channel called The Macintosh Life. It's a family channel. They do a lot of vlogs and content around Jamaica and their family life, cooking, etc. So definitely check them out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to their channel as well. Remember, we're all in it together. We're all here to support each other. The fact that you're here means you're here to support me, to support them. And let me know if you'd like to receive a shout out from me in the next video. Just subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification on, and leave your channel name in the comment section below. And I'll definitely give you a shout out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And this is where I'm going to end today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.